Okay, let's take a start with speaking part 2. And your topic is describe an old person you know and respect. Know is present, respect is also present. That means your cue card is in present
Present.
tense. Who he or she is, the first thing. How you know this person means your interaction with that person. What he or she is like, characteristics of the person, personality traits, characteristics, kind hearted, this and that and all that. And explain why you respect him or her, the reason for your respect. You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Well, first of all, I'm glad that I got a fraction of time to express my love and expose my feelings for a person whom I love most and I respect most. Well, that person is my grandmother, and actually she is my father's mother basically. And to me, she is very an energy booster person, a good navigator and a guide. Navigator in the sense because whenever I do something wrong, she always shows me the right from wrong and how to solve the problem, and also she uplifts me whenever I'm down, and also stands for me whenever I need some help and support. She is always there to support me, and moreover she is a good listener, and I always shared my day-long experience with her, and when she seems that there is need of some advice, she gave me a piece of advice also, and the stories he shared with me, it helps me in my to understand. It helps me to understand the moral values and also to execute in my real life, and I respect her a lot due to some basic reasons. The first one is that she is my first teacher, as she is a well-educated lady, and I learned my first Urdu word from her, and also many more things from related to our religion, like how to recite the Holy Quran and how to offer salah. And moreover, I also loves her a lot because of her pure love and affection towards me. So that's the reason I respect her a lot, and she's my grandmother.
All fantastic, very good. You spoke for 1 minute and 48 seconds. Overall, you spoke well. At the end, you just said, I loves her a lot. It should have been, I love her a lot, not loves.
Love.
And then initially you used also like frequently. So it's better, sometimes you can say also, sometimes you can say as well.
Okay.
So just like that. But overall, you spoke well, you spoke very fluently, and there was continuity, and your answer was properly organized. Now, let's move on to speaking part 3. What qualities does a person need to have to take care of old people?
Well, in my point of view, a person who is taking care of an old person, he should have great patience, because the reason is that the old person became like child, and sometimes it is very difficult to console them because they become stubborn sometimes. And second thing, in my point of view, they should be a good listener, because old people loves to share love to share their stories with someone, and also the third reason is that he or she should be a good motivator who can console them for some reason in some basic problems.
Okay. Do you think old people should be taken care of at home?
Ideally, my answer is yes, because home is a place where you feel a bit more comfortable, and for old people it seems to like a piece of paradise for them, because they feel relaxed whenever they at home. But if the family members, like the younger and the elder, are engaged in their education activities and business activities, they can also arrange the professional team, or one or two, they can hire a 1 or 2 person who can take them well.
Okay. How can people in the neighborhood help the elderly during any epidemic?
In epidemic, the home is looks an isolation for old people, and the people who are living in the neighborhood, they can help them by whenever they are going out, they can also ask him for buying vegetables and other groceries they need And also they can help them by spending their leisure time with old people. As I mentioned before, they love to share their old stories, and it can help them to make their
It can help them.
it can help them to make their moments memorable.
Okay,
And ideal.
it's all fantastic, very well, your answers are really good, but only one slip of tongue, that is you add s
S.
with the verb where it is not required.
Okay.
Otherwise, the way you speak, I mean, very systematically you answer all the question. Looking at all these things, at present I'll give you 7 band, but if you overcome this s thing and all that, you can even make it 7.5 as well, right? Good luck, all the best. Thank you.